slowly, taking your right leg out. Feeling your hips opening in here, dropping left knee down, creating a 90-degree between your legs on the floor, extending arms, opening the chest. Breathe, inhale, exhale. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Switching the sides. Keep breathing, bring mindfulness to your practice. Sitting on the center, separating your feet hip distance apart or a little bit wide. Taking a deep inhale, arms up, palms touch, and exhale, fall forward. Try to reach to the floor. If you can, place a block. Inhale, come up. Exhale. In and out. Inhale, coming up, palms touch, look up. Exhale. Hands down and keep breathing. On the next inhale, arms up, palms touch, looking up, right knee bends, left foot or ankle on the top of your left knee. Breathe in and out. In and out. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the nose. One more. Exhale. Both arms are down. Right foot down and switching sides. Repeat. In and out. Be present. Coming back to center. Twisting your body to the left side. Right hand on the outside of your left leg. Right hand holds. Left arm open to the back, holding to the back of the chair, whatever is available for you. Be present. Bring the awareness to the breath. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the nose. One more time. On the last exhale, coming back to the center, switching sides. Left hand on the outside of your right leg, right arm behind. Hold the top of your chair. You can reach deeper. Try to keep the spine up. Keep breathing. One more time. Exhale back to center. Right hand hold the side of the chair. Left arm is coming up on the next inhale. In and out. In and out. Keep opening. One more breath. On the exhale, switching sides. Left hand comes down. Right hand comes up and breathe. Stepping out of your chair, going behind. Separate your feet hip distance apart or a little bit wider. Taking a deep inhale, both arms are extending, hands on the top of the chair. Exhale, sit, going deeper down. Inhale, coming up, extending legs. Exhale down. Inhale, come up. Exhale down and sit. Hold here and breathe. In and out through the nose. On the next inhale, step right foot forward, placing the foot on the seat of the chair. Hands hold the edge on the top of your chair and just breathe here. Sending hip forwards, in and out through the nose. Breathe. Exhale, right foot down. Inhale. Left foot on the top of the seat. Keep breathing. In and out. In and out. Mindful. Present. Coming around, sitting on the chair. Extending right leg. Both hands are pressing left knee. Breathe in here. Don't forget to breathe. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose. Switching sides. Extending right leg again. Deep inhale and exhale. Extending arms, lacing fingers. Fall forward and breathe. Be present. In and out. On the next inhale, lifting and exhale, switching sides. Inhale. Connect to life. Breathe deep in. Exhale. One more. Next inhale, coming up. And exhale, release your pose. Go around your chair. Pressing left foot down, opening the arms to the side. Left hand is holding the edge of your chair, the top of your chair. And slowly bringing right leg up. Maintain the balance here. Look to a point. Concentrate, be still. Focus. Let's switch sides. Maintain the balance. Use the chair to support yourself. Look forward. Look forward in life. Breathe in and out through the nose. Be grateful for your life, for your body, for this present moment. Namaste.